if you're one of the wise, just become wiser, because you're not going to say the same way with me, and I won't put it in a simpler way that the simple people can understand. Simple people like me understand the laws, and you can understand it. That laws, when you understand that laws, you can transform your reality at will. You can transform your reality consciously and choose what you want to experience. This law, to understand this law, you have to bring it with the law of assumption. And the law of assumption, you have to connect it together. But the law of cause and effect. Cause is the source. Effect, let what we call effect. Throwing this bottle on the tap and fall on the ground, that is the effect. The cause is my spirit, my mind say, throw it in the air. So your job, your paycheck, your sickness, your poverty, your wealth is the effect, is the result that you have. That's the effect. Your boss yelling at you, your wife slapping you, your spouse slapping you. Don't slap, don't fight, okay? So that's the effect. Your son, people disrespecting you, that's the effect. The cause is deeper than that. You end up in something that's negative. That's the effect. If you don't want to call it effect, you call it the consequence. The law, the consequence. But what is the cause of that effect? So every cause have an effect. Every effect have a cause. And you want to change the job. Don't change the effect. Don't change the job. Change the cause. Because the cause is inside. It's in the mind. It's in the spirit. And the law of cause and effect, the law act on the spirit. Spirit is the origin, is the beginner, is the source of everything. Everything starts in the spirit. And that's what you see. For those who are in religious circle, they know that God is spirit. They call God is spirit. God is the creator of everything. The spirit is the creator of everything. In quantum physics, we don't call it spirit. We call it energy. We call it conscious. And like Max Planck, the father of quantum mechanics or quantum physics, says there's a conscious in the universe that animates everything, that creates everything. That conscious, we can do nothing to it, we can't kill it, we can destroy it, it just transforms into another form of energy. It's that conscious that comes from invisible who become visible in the form of an atom. And from that atom that multiply, become a cell. From that cells that multiply, become an element and a system. And that system, that organism become cells, become bones, become physical things you can see. But in quantum physics, again, it's the conscious that was going with a frequency, with a motion so fast, and then that slowing down now move from spirit, from energy, into physical matter. And that matter that we use, and that matter in human being is the body, the brain. That spirit, that energy, that consciousness, it need a physical membrane to act. The spirit need a physical body to manifest, to act in the physical realm, which is the earth. Earth is a physical realm that we can live with no problem, with no other help, okay?